Hey guys, it's Crazy Horse here, and we're actually going to be updating our conventional takeoff just a little bit from where we were. So we're here on the Nevada map, and we're going to be on 03 right. So there's actually only a couple little things we have to update here, but they are important. So for this, we're going to keep our flaps on auto, and 10 degrees is acceptable on our nozzles. So one of the other quick things that we found out is we'll go ahead and use water, but we're going to use the combat power. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and remove our brakes, keep ourselves on cast. We're going to push ourselves to full throttle, and releasing our brakes. I like to come down just a little bit for this. We're going to keep our hand on our nose wheel steering and get ourselves up to about 165 knots. Go, and now we're just going to very gently pull back and get the carrot up. I'm going to drop ourselves down so we're not using so much water.
Altitude.
Gears up. We can go ahead and go to nav mode.
Altitude.
Push our throttles all the way forward. Or not our throttles, I'm sorry, our nozzles there. And then we would continue to fly out. You can see we're passing the racetrack there. No races appearing to go on today. Just keeping that positive rate of climb. We're going to work our trim just a little, and that's a good trim. Let's go ahead and turn that water off. Combat power is off. Make sure that we're down. Throttles are down to 86. You can see, so we're not using a huge amount of fuel, a little bit. You can see we took off with 15,000 pounds of fuel. We were at our maximum allowed weight for any kind of takeoff, and so that was just to update. A conventional takeoff in the Harrier is almost the exact same as any other aircraft, and so then you just go ahead and go out, do whatever your pattern for this airfield is, and you'd be good to go. Alright guys, so that's just a really quick. The conventional takeoff is a very simple procedure. So the other thing I want you to know when we're talking about weight here is you can see we're extremely heavy, so we're going to be going a lot slower. You're going to have to burn more fuel to go faster because of your weight. So it's just something you need to take into consideration of how far and how fast you can go. Obviously we're down to 86%. If we were to go up to 100%, which we don't want to be running our engines at 100 normally to save fuel. You can see now we're at 191 pounds per minute there. Let's see on a level flight at low altitude what we can get to. So you can get up over the 300 range there. We'd probably get up to about 350 and bottom out on speed. So you can get there a little bit faster, but when you're doing heavy amounts of fuel or load outs, you just need to be aware of that and just be cautious. Alright guys, and that'll be it for a conventional takeoff We'll see you in just a bit.